Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use Pinterest for mood board. And this is quite simple. So first of all, we click on create, click on board, and right now we want to give this board a name like new car. I want to buy a new car and I'm just here for inspiration on Pinterest. Make this board secret so no one can see what we like, and then click on create. Now Pinterest already know that if I write down new car that they will give me a lot of new cars. Now I like this car, so then we click on that and do save and click on new car. Go back. Let me check. I like this design from Mercedes, so then we click on save again and click on new car. We go back and then we search for one more car. Now I like the Porsche 991 very much, so then we click on save and then do new car. And right now if I go back and click on the cross, you see our mood board just right here. And this is seriously how simple this is. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.